Hello, this is Ali from SafeNet. In this presentation I'm going to show you how to see whether a driver is already installed for the Sentinel HL In order to do so, just open Internet Explorer or any internet browser, and then go to HTTP with localhost and port 1947. And if you see nothing there, this means that you don't have the driver installed, because a driver, once it is installed, it will wait and listen in port 1947, and in addition you would be able to see the communication with the driver and see parameters like which are the keys connected, which are the features, etc. Once you invoke this localhost with port 1947. So if you don't see anything, it means that the driver does not exist. You can also open services by services.msc and look here for services like SafeNet or Sentinel. I cannot see them over here, so this means that there's no driver installed for the Sentinel HL. Thank you for watching this video.